Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today, we have this week's unboxing, and right here I have a package from a friend and a subscriber who I believe, he kind of wants to remain anonymous, and I totally get that. Usually I'll give a shout out to whoever sends me a watch in for review or whatnot. This is, as you can see, Poseidon here, a very special watch. Let me pull the box out of the side over here. This is, I believe it's called the Aquadive Poseidon, and it's a GMT, and it was kind of a limited run, I believe. Yeah, Aquadive, here it is. When he messaged me and said, hey, do you want to take a look at this? I said, sure. It kind of reminded me, I just saw a picture, mind you, of a Doxa. And I read somewhere that there is some history between this brand and Doxa. This is just the unboxing. I don't have any of the full details or specs here. This is just my first reaction and impression. And wow, look at this thing. Wow, pretty cool. Now, he did warn me that there was an issue with the bezel alignment. So I said I would take a look at it anyway. Pretty cool. Yeah, I could see how it's slightly off to the left. I gotta think that I can find some way to fix this, or send it back, right? But wow, look at this thing. Very, very cool. You get some information here. I can't wait to take a look at that. Let's take a look and see what's going on here. Nice, very nice. A little patch. Very cool. Looks like they throw in another of these isoframe rubber straps. I dig the yellow, man. I dig the yellow. And like I said, this is a GMT. So very, very cool. I believe it's ETA based. Awesome. Let's see. Let's wind this up here. Yep, there's a second hand. It is going. Wow, it's just a solid watch. That was relatively easy operation with the crown there, by the way. Very, very nice. Look at that. Look at the curvature of the lugs. It's not super aggressive, but you do notice it. Very cool case back with a bunch of stuff in there. Really nice bezel action, man. Oh man, I can get a nice good grip on that. Sounds great. The alignment's the one thing, but wow, this is very cool. Yellow GMT hand. Very, very cool watch. Let me throw this on wrist so I can show you guys before I cut the video. Vanilla. The strap smells like vanilla. That's awesome. Okay, let's get it in here. Come on. Work with me, partner. All right, well, I'll just do it like that. That's fine. Yeah, I mean, it's a 50 millimeter lug to lug. I think I read on the site. That's fine. Wow, this diver, it's a tank. This is awesome. Well, anyway, guys, I look forward to doing a review on this one. This is I'm excited about this one, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, let's get through the second set of unboxings. And this one comes in from my friend Chris over at the Watch Lounge, and also my buddy James over at the Great Gambino Watch Reviews channel. And I'll put links to both of their channels. I'll throw in also a link to James's AR VR channel. Man, he does some great, cool stuff, man. And that channel is really, really exploding now. Chris is sending me over his Casio, the W217H, oops, wrong way, which is the, I guess, bigger version of the F91. So pretty cool. Yeah, let's put this on wrist. I'll take a look. I clicked a couple buttons here, and now it's on its the chronometer. Or the chronograph settings. So you know, I have to play around with it and figure it out. But very, very cool. Very, very light on wrist. Not too shabby. Okay, looking forward to spending some time with that one. Let's put this on the side. And then James sent in a Seiko. And I think this is an Alpinist, if I recall correctly. Is it the new Alpinist? Oh no, it's not the Alpinist. It's right. What's the model number on this one? Oh crap! Yeah, it's the Presage. Let's see here. Let's see. Yeah, I'll put it in the description. Sorry guys, I forgot. I thought I was getting an Alpinist. Maybe I was talking to somebody else. You know, truth be told, when I get these boxes in, watches in for review, most of the time I don't even know what's coming in. So very, very cool watch. Check out that dial. Wow, that is awesome. Let me throw this on wrist. It's got a little leather on the outside, rubber on the inside. Action going here. Oh wow, I mean, you know, this is a nice little kind of like fume type dial. Oh yeah, this little wrist roll. Very, very cool. Very excited. Haven't had a Seiko on the channel in a good month or so. So it's always good to do some of these reviews on the Seikos. I know this watch came out a little while ago, so there's probably a ton of reviews on YouTube about it, but I'll be more than happy to take a look at it because I just have fun doing these reviews and experiencing watches that I've never experienced before. Anyway, guys, have a good one. Look forward to doing these reviews and seeing you guys soon.